How to check recent stories on Instagram. At first, open your Instagram app. In the story bar, you will see all the active stories of profiles you follow. Here, color circle on the profile picture means you haven't seen this story yet. Let's tap on any story. Now see, the color circle is gone. If you want to check more new stories, then tap on profile icon. Tap on the following. I scroll down and you'll see the colored circle profiles, which means these profiles have an active stories. And that's it. This is how you can check recent stories on Instagram.